How long should I cook chicken to keep it tender?
Hello everyone. Welcome back to our cooking channel. Today, we have an important question to address. How long should you cook chicken to keep it tender? Chicken is a versatile and delicious protein, but overcooking it can result in dry and tough meat. So, let's dive right in and find out the perfect cooking time to keep your chicken tender and juicy.
Factors affecting cooking time.
Before we determine the cooking time, let's consider a few factors that can affect how long you should cook chicken for it to remain tender. 1.1 Thickness of the chicken. The thickness of the chicken plays a significant role in determining the cooking time. Thicker pieces of chicken will require more time to cook through, while thinner cuts will cook faster. It's important to take this into account when estimating the cooking time. 1.2 Cooking method. The cooking method you choose also impacts the cooking time. Whether you're grilling, baking, sautéing, or frying, each method has its own recommended cooking time. Keep this in mind when preparing your chicken. 1.3 Chicken cut and bone-in versus boneless. Different cuts of chicken, such as breast, thighs, or drumsticks, may have slightly different cooking times. Additionally, bone-in chicken generally takes longer to cook than boneless chicken due to the added thickness and presence of bones.
General cooking time guidelines.
Now that we've discussed the factors affecting cooking time, let's provide you with some general guidelines to help keep your chicken tender and flavorful. 2.1 Whole chicken or large pieces. If you're cooking a whole chicken or large chicken pieces, such as bone and breasts or thighs, baking is a popular method. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, and cook the chicken for approximately 45 minutes to 1 hour. Ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, to ensure it's fully cooked. 2.2 Boneless chicken breasts or small pieces. For boneless chicken breasts or smaller chicken pieces, you have various cooking options. Grilling is a fantastic choice to retain tenderness and flavor. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat and cook boneless chicken breasts for around 6 to 8 minutes per side, depending on their thickness. Remember to check the internal temperature with a meat thermometer to ensure it reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. 2.3 Chicken thighs or drumsticks. Chicken thighs and drumsticks are more forgiving when it comes to cooking time, thanks to their higher fat content. For baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, and cook bone-in chicken thighs or drumsticks for approximately 35 to 45 minutes. Again, the internal temperature should reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius. 2.4 Other cooking methods. If you prefer sautéing or pan-frying chicken, keep the heat at medium-high and cook boneless chicken breasts for about 4 to 6 minutes per side. Chicken thighs or drumsticks will require a bit longer, usually around 6 to 8 minutes per side. Remember, the internal temperature must reach 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, for safe consumption. And there you have it. Cooking chicken to keep it tender depends on various factors, including the thickness, cooking method, and type of chicken cut. Whether you're grilling, baking, sautéing, or frying, following these general guidelines will help you achieve juicy and tender chicken every time. Experiment with different methods and